Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
The Prophet, peace and blessings of God be upon him, was sitting and some of his companions were with him. The Prophet said,
"Whoever comes through that door is a man who will enter paradise."
The companions began to look. An old man was coming slowly and was holding shoes in his left hand. The old man approached the Prophet, greeted him and left. The next day the Prophet was sitting with his companions in the same place as before. He said,
"Whoever comes through the door will enter paradise."
The people who were sitting with him looked again. The old man came through the door again. He again approached the Prophet, greeted him and left. On the third day, the Prophet was sitting with his friends in the same place again. He said,
"Whoever comes from this door will enter paradise."
Those sitting near the Prophet started looking, and thought to themselves, "Who will it be?" Again the same old man came and left. There was a man named Abdullah who was with the Prophet during the 3 days. He said,
"Why is this old man so special that the Prophet declared him to be a member of paradise?"
So he followed the old man.
"Greetings, old man."
"Greetings. How can I help you?"
"I have a problem."
"Tell me, what is your problem, my son, and how do you know that I can help you with it?"
"I have a problem and I want to be your guest for 2 or 3 days."
The old man listened to him and took Abdullah to his house. Abdullah wanted to see what he was doing that made him eligible for paradise, but he did not do anything special. He performed all his prayers on time and did not backbite about others. Abdullah thought that this is done by other people too, but why didn't the Prophet declare them to be in paradise? On the third day, when Abdullah was about to leave, he said to him,
"I hurt you a lot. In fact, I did not have any problem. I could have gone to my house, but I wanted to get closer to you, and that is why I stayed with you during these 3 days, because the Prophet called you a heavenly man for 3 days in a row. I just wanted to see what you did. The Prophet said that you will enter paradise."
"So you saw my character, but there is one more thing in my heart. Do you want to know what it is?" Abdullah went closer to him. "I never hate anyone, I don't want to hurt anyone." Abdullah listened to the words of the old man and began to think and understand what the Prophet wanted to teach us through this old man.
"That is why you are one of the members of paradise. Whereas our hearts are not as pure as yours."
Abdullah said this and left.